Tatlo yung,
Yes, sir.
Okay na? Okay, good luck. And here we go. JR!
Wow.
Quiet please, quiet lang. Go. Ilang seconds yan? Wala. Dito lang. Wow, galing mo.
That's so amazing. I've never seen anything like that. I have to shake your hands.
Galing, ha? Ma'am, saka alam mo, 4 years na ako dito sa Wawawi, or mag-5 years na ako. Malapit na. Ikaw lang nagpatahimik sa amin dito. Wala nakapagpatahimik sa amin dito. 2 minutes, wala nagsasalita. Palapakan niyo to. Wow, okay. Okay, hindi. Alright, okay. So, Rubik's kayo.
Yeah.
Ako, ayoko lang ipakita lahat ng talent ko. Kasi, hindi. Nasa akin lahat, di ba? Tall, dark, and handsome ako. We're talking about the talent here. You should watch this. You like them? You like them?
Love it. It's amazing.
If I do something, will you marry me? Okay, here. Here, come here. Okay, alright? Hold it. It's like, iba-iba kulay. Hold it, okay? Come here. Give me the mic. Hold the mic. Okay. How many seconds? You have to concentrate. Kasi, di ba? Hold it. Analyze. You have to analyze. Okay? Come in. Okay. Is that right? Okay. Here, ha? Ulitin mo. Quiet, please! Quiet! Halika yung dalawa. Tingnan nyo to. Matuto kayo. Up! Ha? Wala pang 60.64 to a second. Thank you very much!
Papi, may isa pa exhibit.
May isa ka ba, exhibition? Ano to?
Guys.
Dice Tom. O sige, watch this. Nangya kayo. Alina mo magturo. Okay, dice naman, dice. Okay, watch this. Dice. Wait, excuse me. Carmen, stay with me. Baka masaktan ka. Maybe might call something. So you have to be safe here, okay? Yan na lang balakang. Oh? Isa pa nga. Parang niloloko mo kami. Dito na mapapanood ka sa Wawawi lang po, mga kapamilya. Watch. Okay. Dice. Up. Up. Malit. Ito, pakita natin. Pakita natin. No more na. You want more? No more! Look at that. Ano, ito, may dice pa? Akin na. Baka, akala ko, nalolokin niyo ako dito? Look at that, Carmen, okay. Ano gagawin ko? Ito, walang kukurap, quiet! Thank you very much. Okay. Thank you very much, guys. Thank you. Wow, palapakan. Ay.